Hi there. This is my second little video demonstrating where I'm at with the roguelike that I'm making. So much like before, I have random room generation, vision, stupid AIs and stuff like that. The main difference right now is I've started implementing a stat system. So there are various stats that your character has, like attack, defense, attack, magic defense, movement speed, and vision range, and health. And one of the core mechanics of this game will be to reallocate those stats in various ways, and you can change these at any point to sort of switch around how combat works and things like that. Right now I can just randomly reset them, so when I press one key it will rechange some of those. So right now you can see my HP is different than it was, and my vision is bigger. And if I do that again, my HP changed again. My movement speed is also a little bit different. Every time I do this, it's just right now randomly reassigning a fixed number of stat points to different things. I've also, for right now, added a little heal. So it's a self-heal only, and right now only I can use it, so none of the enemies. I've also added one ranged attack that I just used right there, so that I don't have to be right up next to someone. At the moment, just to sort of test these things out, I also have enemies spawning with randomly allocated stats with the same number of points available as I have. So just to sort of see how this works so that I can start maybe trying to balance things. Yeah, this is generally where this part's at. Go to another room and try and maybe get some other guys going on. Okay, managed to kill him. So right now also how damage and stuff is being calculated is basically you have like your physical attack value, which is, or you have whatever the attack does, like its damage range, added to your physical attack, and I'm subtracting the target's defense. So everything is pretty linear, and like if they have a defense value equal to your attack value, then it's basically they to negate each other. So it's going to be jumping around between using physical and magic attacks, or switching to a setup where you have higher of a particular stat. I don't have this added yet, but the goal is to make it so that you have 4 or so different stat presets that you can adjust, and you can switch between those instantly, like how I have this doing my stats right now. It will basically, instead of it being random later, you'll be able to set up a few of those and switch between them as you want. And the only penalty for it will be that it will cause all of your skills to go on cooldown, so that to prevent you from doing it way too often and being able to like spam out stuff.